On this lesson here, I'll go through you on some of the basic movement onto that elbow to be able to get some movement and power out of it. So when you start to practice, you know exactly how to deal with it. Let me show you here so you know exactly what to do. Now, on here, we're using one of this to helping you to target. What that do is basically is the same as the head. Okay, when you put the movement onto the head, the body coming in, the elbow coming in, the elbow coming in. The principle is the same when you come into the elbow. Okay, so we're using this to represent this as onto the head. So that way, when you won't be able to attack in the head, so we're using this to attack. Now, when you're training with this kind of thing, try to get used to the same thing. Elbow coming in, that elbow like this. See, line that. Try to keep your hand and represent the movement. Like that on it, so you know where your hand is supposed to be coming in, where the elbow coming in. This is create power as well as create see if you can use you like that elbow coming in, like that body position like that. Yeah. So imagine that land of somebody's face, it's gonna hurt. So that one line goes straight like that, and second one we get used to is that elbow coming in like that coming in here. Yeah. So low, like that coming in. Same thing with working this side. Like that coming in. So that can be using a lot of time. When a punch come along, a lot of time this side kind of movement, yeah, that kind of movement coming in. Okay, so punch hook, so the same here, that kind of movement, yeah, the elbow coming into the head, directly into the face. Similar way as the punch coming in, line here, see the hand, so that same thing here, see, here, anything like that coming down, okay, that work the same, okay, same thing you change, like that the same, so you hook this side the same, see? The same, so that here, the same movement. So the principle of it, as this hand coming to here, yeah, exactly the same. So using this help you to represent the line, see, yeah, anything coming like that, represent the line of the elbow coming in. Okay, another movement using a lot is this kind of movement, yeah, like this kind of movement. So this is like spear coming in like that. Keep the hand to the head or keep the hand out, same thing, like that, here, like that, yeah, lock, yeah. So the whole body coming like that, yeah, like that. Move, ground, forward, line, ground, forward, move forward, like that, to control. Swing it go like that, principle the same, like that, hand, same, like that. Back, the same, link at the same, change, the same, movement, underneath, the same, top, underneath, the same onto the movement, okay? So elbow, coming in from this kind of movement here, change, elbow, the same, okay? Principle outside, the same. So when you feel elbow, you are using this kind of elbow, this kind of elbow, this kind of elbow, this kind of elbow. You attack in the same area of the body, okay? Like that. Him. Like that, coming in. Like that. So the movement of the basic punch coming off, here, this one, here the same. See, the same. Like this, the same. Body coming in. Okay, same you work with that, so elbow the same, so you're working 1, 2, 3, the same, okay? So principle of the movement here, and movement here. So when you're using this kind of movement, that will represent the same. 1, onto the movement, 1, 2, 3, yeah, represent the same, yeah? So 1, 2, 3, like that, so whole body on the movement coming in, work the same, okay? Think of that. That's the basic idea of using that to help you to create power and movement. So when you come into work using them kind of medicine ball, it's helping you to represent somebody's face so you're able to work with them. Spend some time to practice with them so you know exactly how it works, so you can use them in real life. I will see you on the next lesson.